And there are some few games here were the Carabao Cup in there were Premier League clubs are or more boy in the Carabao Cup. For instance, Man City Bebo away to Huddersfield, Newcastle Ebo Fie against Bamford, Tottenham Ebo Fie against Doncaster Rovers, and Arsenal Eko away to Port Vale. Arsenal Eko away to Port Vale. And games are the Premier League clubs, you know, Rich, they are supposed to win. Especially if you say Newcastle and Tottenham, if they must win. Man City away, they should be able to win, and at Port Vale, and so Arsenal away, almost they should be able to win. But there were games. Lincoln Fono Koto Chedekani against Chelsea, and a Chelsea pure Mutuba because of Maza. Yenia Brio, Brighton Hove Albion, Echo away to Barnsley, Echo show almost 6, and now Omo Esheye. Wolverhampton Wanderers, and we need one game quite in the Premier League. But a bar here for a couple, or Che Everton, we're trying 2-0, and now. So those are the notable and a Fulham Etienne a share Cambridge. So we have Premier League clubs now. The only time the early results, you know, a Premier League club every month. I went 2 Premier League clubs. Asia, Wolverhampton Wanderers are only one game cry in the Premier League. No, we're going to say Everton, the Carabao Cup. But Rich, the Obiaka was is the Liverpool win against Southampton, and I think so from afar. Rich, my observation kakrama, you know, this is what I sense. Liverpool a winning game no 2-1. Now Liverpool line up in the bar, you know. Rich, you decay I stories abusa and a slot say who 2 prolific strikers will team them. Who going to take a free Frankfurt by, you know? He is scoring. Or for the first time when you call up to the French national team. And I would be Alexander Isak Abekano. Obviously, say Isak in ball. But I also one join team in Temunti. But obviously, say Isak, no, you will Newcastle in Nano. So, to become the number 1 striker of Liverpool. Then if you start games, every game be also normal. Number 9, you can say, no. So I just go kina. Also, the game be 90 minutes, 90 minutes. And who are day? And a short answer with them, I wasn't convincing to any of the players. So we're choosing the number 9. And the players are called. And Uchu Mutaya, short answer with them, when he was asked between Hugo Iketike and Isak, one and number 9, no, Rich, a bit breedy internal conflict. Okay, so coach na BM say your money and cover there. And you obey your opportunity. Mami chile coach ni say minya mefa. Now Rich. Then and because Escabao Isak starts. Then he scored. Starting was a go. We are not telling more about George is okay. Say Isak, after so share our Carabao, then he's picking up. So I'll pick it up the level of my bar. Then probably I will start him. Game new question now. Isak said, Sarantina Betika. Rich, late in the game, after 5 minutes, I'm here. Frederico tears are free from the left hand side. Rich, or cutting in a bit to be a more goal. He sets up who going to take a free bench about game in him. Panay Liverpool said 2-1. 85th minutes. And Rich, Bona Liverpool body there. And the character that they've shown, Rich, late goes to message. When you say, I think one of our cameras say my problem in Tino. the shots on the tactical board no share that very great. Rich, Minister Baby, I would say, these are BBC match of the day. Omo graphic omo for this season in Kwa late goals at Liverpool. I say Liverpool against Bournemouth, which 2 goals, 88 minutes, 90+4. Newcastle against Liverpool. Raul go no saying I'm more biano in the deal or saying 90+10 minutes. The Liverpool against Arsenal, Dominic Soboslai, free kick to share about 83 minutes. The Liverpool scored 1-0 against Burnley. Mo Salah 90+5. Van Dijk go no they kill Atletico Madrid no about 90+2 and then 85th minute. I got 5 minutes to regulation time. We go get it cash. Now Rich. We can hear where Merseyside derby no. Merseyside derby no. Who go get it? Eshego meboa. Yeah. Your ball game ni we na. Back in so. Yeah, we DSTV no. So kai pa me so me I watch games, I watch post match analysis in na. So kai pa. Your ball 90 minutes we omuko break. Abeki ka match no wan sam kakra. Omuko commercial break buy na. Omu di nkomo studio ho. And omu say oh TNT Sports for no anya who go eketike so they are going to park and so no more kofa interview no. Rich who go eketike interview now you know. One of the questions was that and you go here what shade here. Woman an assault headache for Uni Isaac. Why na own choose you? The answer and say a coach in a headache and you me headache. Meme the ane say me bo team na ma yahye entitem bia menye bia na mebo Rich who go iketike I recognize say there's an internal conflict enye bad and we normalize sort ni na yeko for it. Now Rich, if that is the understanding say abanti at the bench na obem in a game Isaac ashe on the diwa about for team say Isaac no manai no na obum na obeshe goal late and ebe turn out to be the winning goal. Rich, why we are because of the AC with team no. And we shouldn't forget because as we're doing the transfer window, say Rich, this season it is very, very important for players because next year you have a World Cup. Who go get ticket? Now you're French national team down. They know you're Frankfurt, near Freddy Dow. About Liverpool, Rich, last month, boy, 2 matches. He was caught in the French national team. He want to be there at the World Cup. Alexander Isak obviously want to be part of the Sweden team. And I mean, say Victor Jokeres, Rich, also for Sweden, no. And he said, Isak, number 2 to Hugo Iketika. It is very, very likely, say. So when the match is baby amba, and you are Sweden go World Cup, they will play Victor Jokeres and bench Alexander Isak. Rich. And with you, and that's not until CSA. When he was buying the players, and in the level of competition that we're creating with team, you know, say a striker scores, you will official with the yellow card. And out of the adrenaline in the Nhyira, wow, what the Jesse? This all there. Or jubilating here, the rich, or Danny, and you know, and a Jeremy from Poco, no say, we are no one in the Ayala. You look at Jeremy from Poco, who's the way the red card? Let us from Paul look at his face. So we hear the number, someone catch it and say, and there are so many words, you know. Now you see, just as Fifi brought this graphic, as someone has not can ever say, when was someone about the tougher or say, so you go now, you can take a share any power. Senka Eonwa. Okemi so ebiana or sound so etitini. But Senka Eonwa. And can do obey Senko Jina Iketike Namua. And say, and Kobako cheers at home. No, I just say masa go na masa no. And why you money na? It is all I will say. But if I score a goal like Hugo did tonight, I will turn to Chiesa and say it's about you, Federico. Tika, at least on calm down, kaka. Na go bo Chiesa abaso. Na the oye any there. Yes, stupid and yes smart. And yes smart in every sense.
After celebration, we will catch the chairman. Na adwuma na oyi ni na
celebration mu e de ma owie no wadi record ya ye pa mo fi park no so
o sha no tane mo betumi catch
rich we go take just good kon wa okọ and a slot one shit him say. And interestingly, none of the Liverpool bench and put say players a do record omu do panel no ano e ka bo say technical team ni bia ba no so no ko na wuram na o chichi opia fino Rich on the field he is delivering, but I'm here with the level of competition, the way could affect him because any park and also sporting reasons and don't know about discipline.
So imagine a game at Liverpool, but maybe an a slot a decided okay, me bomb me no na. What's a kitiki say? Udinijina the left side will be
even right or he can strike from the wings. Yes.
It will be Edina wings in
which Anaswat said it.
So say Kobasa dia, Mimi Pesa Michegu, because Pesa me convince coach say. So I say open number 9, it should be me. So in your two players in me and Udina Park so. I'm on your selfish. You see, Pesa Michegu super swatch.
You see, Rich, and then Komaya would it, then we will bring players and Mohamed Salah also, because Salah is the top scorer of the Liverpool team. He also wants to score.
But Salah him say every game beyond Liverpool so player or best starting. But now, so we tell the slot kana. Was in number 9 position. Obian 17.
So you see, say the moment that slot Becca say already a whole year by playing both Iketike and Isak. So on Isak got to number 9 and then he has decided. Then it now turning into a debate between baby and go take a bono against Kodikapo. Means what they make an share. So the day Obaka say, me big game against Man City. Me say me who go Iketike any Alexander Isak boom. Bona me bono Iketike you will overstrike it from the left. Now Alexander Isak Ejina forward. Rich then he has taken a decision on who is his number 9. And so Liverpool here, from last season, Rich, you could clearly see say, and a slot, and when you say that position here on the left, it is Cody Gakpo or any other person. Last season it was Gakpo and Luis Diaz. Now Luis Diaz or this that position, I be Cody Gakpo there, and then kind of crunch Rich, who will take it can play there, but. So open striking from intention pressure driving in onto Gapo.
Sure.
Onto no.
And this is your form part.
Oh, Bobo, get that goal sitting back said anything I am body. And I say, there's no debate. That's only be on some position. And right in the left in the air, Rich, I want to problem be anywhere. And 51 as some more. And one, and see, and we prepare as a team, unnecessary red card any sign of man only when he mama for no see Real Madrid win no look Levante this season and starting year papa bia enti on the face of the pin seat you expect Real Madrid to beat them but Rich unim the ma Real Madrid win way e mu won some kakra bia Edika and Editi, Rich, so we are aware say this weekend. Your Madrid derby share. Real Madrid any Atletico Madrid neighbor weekend we you. And because of some match, Xabi Alonso decided to do some changes on the first 11. Senior Beya, Obenya players be on Beji Oba home. When we said the Ago Simeone on the Kakobano, it will be physical, it will be aggressive, and it will be beer. And see, the Amami Real Madrid win way pa aye. Xabi Alonso is a team no bebre, but they still played very, very well. Rich, this was Real Madrid first 11. Adam Litao and Bobby. You said Trent Epra. Kavaha because Sakavaha be bone Oji Kim only right back for Atletico Madrid. Bono. So say Real Madrid team even though Kamavinga be back in here, no. Rich. Conventional DM party. I catch your money kwa. Who are much your money so and he has been playing a lot of games. To so your money kwa jiwa home. Now Rich, and it's all yeah. Those who are able to at least squeeze and see the screen, no. Rich, you saw say Obo Courtois and Obo a three back of Asensio, Housen, and Caracas, and Obo Fan Garcia as the right wing back, Freddy Valverde as the right wing back. Then he brought in Dani Ceballos, any other Goulet, then Franco Mastantuano, Vini Jr., and Kylian Mbappe. Now on the pitch, Rich, this was how he was able to break those players. No? Interestingly, Rich, so now who's on paper? Freddy Valverde, Ejina, right wing backer. Game he played as a midfielder. He played with Ceballos as the two pivots. Then decided say the three back now all with Alvaro, Housen, any Asensio. No, Asensio will go onto the right. No Fan Garcia abo left back, but Obian as a left wing back. So the Bilbina, Freddy Valverde, and Ceballos, then other Goulet will play in his number 10 role with Franco Mastantuano and Vinicius, always making sure say Omoti Tenkofonechi on the wings for Kylian Mbappe to have a space to roam behind the defenders. You know, Rich, your ball game we was a 4-1. Almost your first goal, Vini. Then they scored 2. Levante for one person which I if you no more promo what say 1. Rich, almost take a 1. I almost say oh yeah, body momentum of Copecatino. Within 2-3 minutes, now Real Madrid has had a show 4-1. Say Massa, you do game no. Rich no couldn't me. I went to a friend of Master Antoine no by a talented papa. And so I say,
first time hearing, I was like,
yes,
wow.
Yeah. And Rich, I say, you sit down, can be brave because you say Jude Bellingham Beba. It's a Jude Bar, which was starting both games. Or Bar, you say Masantono or Bekoso Real Madrid first 11 now. But Rich, in the absence of Jude, Masantono to Rodrigo. What to know? And he is the second youngest player to score for Real Madrid or the Spanish La Liga, and that is very, very good for him. Richard went to today.
Mbappe, no.
Is it what you feel?
Is it from new?
A serious.
Ranting from new.
A serious. And Omo say, of course, you say, he will win the Balon d'Or. No. There was a Real Madrid yet this season, and I say, Rich, they must do well, and Kylian will win.
Okay, influential.
Nidino, all our
yeah.
And you did a go for team, or a star in our eyes already. He just need a platform to sell him, and he will win the Balon d'Or. And to say Real Madrid, look, those who are saying the next one is between Kylian Mbappe and Lamine Yamal. Rich, it is not true.
Okay.
It is not. And you know credit. What the Balon d'Or is dependent on, Team Bay and the Champions League. No? If you are able to win, who team now will give us who must win? Say now if you can. Who thought Ousmane Dembele will win Balon d'Or until a normal book of will show Bia or we Champions League. The winner must come from there. And they must do a very, very good job. Now Omo intimate and win your 40 games, 42 goals and assists the Rich Abentiano and the numbers in a Guminti. And then there are games team friend of Atletico Madrid and so Bobo Real Madrid weekend no both against wherever I can so we social abitua 25 euros onye social now your public abitua 30 euros now I give me a random say after Real Madrid win you know they will also warm themselves up to the Madrid derby you know over the weekend no now and also the Europa League into so games on how they are rich.
Okay.
We said yeah, you will not sit down until we give some small codes be and when you so really fast. Now also a due code no na effectual bet the Europa League games then some few other games be and to course the first one BW1 3B 3E 4EB and a second one no BW13 B4 7A 93 then the fourth one no BW13 B4 CB 2D. Then the last one, BW1 3 B55 C8D. Into 4 betway course. I'll bet my screenshot. Or call me X page, or call me Facebook page. So I think say they are there. I'll bet me afa now. Or they are there. Or they be midweek. And the games are very, very nice indeed.
All right. Mami Coleman so na yene lawyer Safuduku